Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in our PIT Technical and Medical campus. Today we are discuss about the topic Banking Regulation Act 1949. Banking means if the accepting of the purpose of lending of investment of deposit of money from public, repayable on demand and otherwise and the withdrawable by check, draft, order and otherwise. Banking company means any company which are transact with the business of banking in India. Explanation: any company which is engaged in the manufacturing of goods or which carry any trade and any acceptance deposit of money from of the public debts for purpose of financing its business shall be deemed of transfer business of the banking within the meaning of the clause. Act 2 have overheading and effect Section 5A the Banking Regulation Act 1949 providing the provisions of the act shall be effective of the notwithstanding anything to the country contained in memorandum or article in a banking company, any agreement accepted by it, any resolution passed by the banking company in general meeting board of director. It is a further providing any provision contained of the memorandum, article, agreement, is resolution has been extended is the regularly providing the act to become as a avoid. Restrictions and use of the bank etc. Section 7 of the act providing individual firm, group of individual, any company other than banking company shall not use a part of it, its name or in connection within the bank business anywhere bank, banker and banking and no company shall carry of the business in banking in India until little part of the name at least which and the word. Acceptation is subsidiary of a banking company formed by the one and more than purpose of the mention of the section 19 subsection 1 whose name the indicate in the subsidiary of the banking company. Any association of the bank form of the protection of mutual interest of the registered under the section 8 of the Company Act 2013. Not to engage in the trading activities. Section 8 providing of the banking company shall no direct and indirect deal with the buying of the selling of the bearing goods accepted the connection within the realization security given as held by the it engage in any trade or buy sale of goods better goods of the other than in connection will exchange received and collection of the negotiation with such as a business or referred in a section 6 subsection 1 subsection 1. But if the prohibition does not apply whatever the banking company authorized by the CG by the issue of notification under section 6 subsection E subsection 0. Goods means 7 kinds of movable property than other actionable in the share money being SPL by the own instrument referred to the section 6 subsection A subsection 1. Holding or immovable property. Section 9 providing that the banking company can hold immovable property only as holding if it required its own use, otherwise up to a period of 7 plus 5 years in the RBI approval. Such extension may be granted whereby RBI is satisfied. Such extension would be an interest on depositor of the banking company. These are the legal provisions of the Banking Regulation Act. Okay class, thank you.